Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cecelia. How are you doing today? Today's video I'll be teaching us how to wash our fruit with natural ingredients, natural preservatives. So I have a couple of fruits that I will be using to make some fruit juice, and I have 3 packs of grapes inside the water already cut off. So what I did was I filled up the basin with water. I added some salt into that, and this is the first wash. So I'm just washing this off now. And the water I got from the first wash was very dirty. So I have to drain this and fill up the basin with another fresh water. Then I added sodium salt into the water to serve as form of a preservative, and also to make sure that the fruit is free of germs and disinfectant from every preservative that was added to the fruit. So now I have the second wash ongoing. So I drain off the grapes from the water and I store that in this container which I got on Amazon. Very cute. You can use it to store your fruits in your refrigerator for a very long time. Now the fruit wash is done. Let me know what you think. I love you all. Will you try this? Let me know. I love you all. Bye for now. Take care.